A lighter? I don't think so. No, I'm sorry. I used to keep matches on me, but I don't think I have any of those either. Oh, you tried to get in there. I see, okay. You did make a good gap. Do you know where the key is?
It's on the seat.
It's on your seat?
Yeah. Okay. I can't see everything in my left.
Yeah, I don't even have like a torch or anything, sorry.
I'm looking for tow truck.
Yeah, some guys have a tow truck, yeah.
I thought watching me while I was standing there.
Oh, not with orange lights, I would hope. I could use my own. There it is. Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Here's those. I just gotta take a picture of the open door and then you're all set. Alrighty, you have a beautiful day, okay?